Next topic, amorphous forms of carbon. Amorphous forms of carbon means no regular geometry, no regular shape. So we can say amorphous forms of carbon. So here examples are coal, coke, charcoal, lime black. So these are the forms of carbon. These are made by the carbon only, but here no regular shape, no any particular geometry. So we can say amorphous forms of carbon. If the carbon containing substance means only the carbon present and having the regular geometry, so we will say crystalline forms of carbon. But here these having no any regular geometry, no any regular shape, so we will say amorphous forms of carbon. And after this we will study about the charcoal. So charcoal produced when the carbon containing substance heated in the absence of air. So charcoal produced when the carbon containing substance heated in the absence of air. So here carbon containing substance means wooden thing, bones, sugar. So these are the carbon containing substance, and if we heat these substance in the absence of air, so these changed into the charcoal. And in this procedure liquids gases also develop. These escape means gases escape, volatile liquid these also escape, and last product we will get the charcoal. So here I will read this topic. Here in your book this is written, charcoal is found when carbon containing substance such as wood, bones and sugar are heated in the absence of air. The process of the breakdown of organic substance means these are the organic substance. The process of the breakdown of organic substance such as coal and wood on heating them strongly in the absence of air is known as destructive distillation process. So if we heat the organic substance means carbon containing substance in the absence of air, this process is called the destructive distillation process. And during this process the gases and liquids that are volatile escape, leaving behind charcoal. Charcoal is black in color. This is black in color, soft and porous. There are three types of charcoal: wood charcoal, bone charcoal and sugar charcoal. So there are three types of charcoal: wood charcoal, bone charcoal and sugar charcoal. So this is the charcoal, means we can get the charcoal by the organic substance means carbon containing substance, and when the carbon containing substance heated in the absence of air, then we get the charcoal. So here this process is called the destructive distillation process. If we heat the organic substance in the absence of air, this is called the destructive distillation process. And in this procedure liquid and gases develop, gases and volatile liquid escape, and we get the charcoal. Charcoal, this is blackish color, black color, porous, having the porous nature means many pores are present on that, and these are the soft and porous. And there are three types of charcoal: wood charcoal, bone charcoal, sugar charcoal. And after this we will study about the wood charcoal. So wood charcoal means if we heat the wood in the absence of air, so we will get the wood charcoal. So here wood charcoal is obtained by the destructive distillation of wood. The gases formed during this process are carbon dioxide, carbon monoxide, hydrogen, methane. So these are the gaseous mixture developed. If we heat the wooden thing means wood in the absence of air, this is the destructive distillation of wood. So we get the different type of gases: carbon monoxide, carbon dioxide, hydrogen, methane. These gases develop. The mixture of gases is combustible. These gases combustible and is known as wood gas. So this mixture of gaseous mixture, this is called the wood gas. Wood charcoal can be produced in the laboratory by heating wood shavings in the absence of air. And after this, physical properties of wood charcoal. Physical properties of wood charcoal. So here we know that Wood charcoal, this is grey black in color, porous, soft nature, brittle nature. So these are the nature. Second, it floats on the water because of its porosity. So we know that charcoal having the many pores, minute pores are present. So here many pores are present. This is soft and porous means many pores present. So due to the pores, here the air present in that. So due to the presence of air, if we throw in the water, so this will flow on the surface of the water because here already in these pores air present, and this is the reason it floats on water because of its porosity. Third property here, it is a bad conductor of heat and electricity. This is bad conductor of heat and electricity. Fourth, it absorbs gases. This absorbs gases, liquids and solid. This property of attracting gases, liquid or solid to its surface by a solid is called adsorption. So adsorption, this is the process. Adsorption, this is the process. Means we can define accumulation of the solid, liquid and gaseous particle on the surface of the solid. So this process called the adsorption, AD. So here adsorption means we can understand the adsorption. Means simple example, if we see the duster, so on the surface of the duster chalk powder present here. So here this chalk powder means accumulation of the chalk powder on the solid surface. This is called the adsorption. So here if these are accumulated on the solid surface, so we can say adsorption. Means this may be solid substance, liquid substance and gaseous means particles of the solid, particles of the liquids, particles of the gaseous. If these accumulated on the solid surface, so this process called the adsorption. And one more term, absorption, AB. Absorption and adsorption. Absorption means AB. Absorption means suppose that here you can understand, means here don't confuse in these words. Absorption AB. Absorption means you can understand by taking the chalk, and if you put the chalk in the ink, so you will observe that the ink particles also you can see inside the chalk. Means if you break the chalk, so you will get the ink particles inside that. Means ink color, means blue color also you will get inside the chalk. So here not only the surface, this also present inside the chalk. So this is called the absorption. And adsorption means if the ink particles present only on the surface of the chalk, so you will say adsorption. So if the ink particles present only on the surface of the chalk, so you will say adsorption, AD. And if the ink particles present means if you break the chalk and also if you see the ink particles present inside the chalk, in the bulk material inside of that, so you can say absorption. So this is the basic difference here, means accumulation of solid, liquid or gaseous particle on the solid surface. This is called the adsorption, AD. And after this, here usage of wood charcoal. What are the usage of the wood charcoal? So wood charcoal is a better fuel than wood because it burns better and cause less air pollution. Second, it is used to make gunpowder that is used in guns and is blasting agent in mining. Third, it is used as a decolorizing agent. Decolorizing agent as it adsorbs colored materials. For example, it is used for decolorizing sugar solution, alcohol and petroleum product. So this is the decolorizing agent because it has means here adsorption adsorption process occur here, means this charcoal has the capacity to attract the solid particles, liquid particles or gaseous particles on its surface. So this is the reason this is the best decolorizing agent. So decolorizing agent means this decolorize the color of the substance. Suppose that if you are keeping in the colored material, means colored solution, so colored particles these adsorb on the surface of the ink, means here adsorption process, accumulation of the colored particles on the surface of the charcoal. So this is called the adsorption. So here this is the reason this is good decolorizing agent. And the next point, it is used in deodorants as it adsorbs foul smelling gases due to the adsorption process. So this deodorant having the charcoal here present in the powder form, means these mix in the deodorant. So this is the reason that it has the tendency to attract the foul smelling particles on the surface, on its surface. So here it is used in deodorants as it adsorbs foul smelling gases. Fifth point, wood charcoal is used in the gas mask for the removal of toxic compounds from the air. In the gas mask also we can use for the removal of the toxic substance. So here in this mask that charcoal present in that, inside that, and if any toxic gases coming, so here first of all these toxic gaseous particles adsorb on the charcoal particles. So this is the reason toxic gases cannot enter inside the body. And next here, it is used in water filters to adsorb dissolved or suspended substance and unpleasant odor from the water. So this is also useful for filtration of the water, means here in the water different type of particles, minute particles suspended in that. So we can separate these particles by using the charcoal, because here also adsorption process. So here is suspended particles adsorb on the surface of the charcoal. And after this, one more in the corner written activated charcoal. Activated charcoal means if we heat the wood charcoal in the absence of air at 900 degrees Celsius. Means wood charcoal, if you heat wood charcoal in the absence of air at 900 degrees Celsius, so this change into the activated charcoal. So here if wood charcoal is heated at around 900 degrees Celsius in a limited supply of air, activated charcoal is formed. Activated charcoal is used as a catalyst to facilitate certain chemical reaction. So this is also useful as a catalyst for facilitating certain chemical reaction. You know that hydrogen reacts with chlorine very slowly, but hydrogen readily combines with chlorine adsorbed on activated charcoal in dark condition. Activated charcoal is also used to separate a mixture of noble gases such as a mixture of helium, argon, neon and krypton. Activated charcoal adsorbs different gases at different temperature. So here these are the uses of the wood charcoal. So here physical properties of the wood charcoal, we know that the charcoal grayish blackish color, porosity nature, this is soft, and after this here this float on the surface of the water, and this has the adsorption process, means it has the capacity to attract the gaseous particles, solid particles, liquid particles. Means accumulation of the gaseous, liquid and solid particles on the surface of the on the solid surface. This is called the adsorption. So here this charcoal has this property, adsorption. And after this usage of the wood charcoal, you have studied. So here wood charcoal better fuel, and this is used in the gunpowder, make gunpowder. It is used as a decolorizing agent, and it is used in deodorants. So, and wood charcoal used in the gas mask, and also this is used for the filtration of the water, because many coloring material may be present in that, or suspended particles. So these adsorb on the surface of the charcoal.